this video I'm going to show you how you can expand and minimize sections in a Google Docs document. So let's say that inside this recipe we want to minimize this section here, and that we can actually minimize it, and that we can expand it again. So the way to do this is to go to File, and then you want to go to Page Setup, and inside here you want to use the pageless option. Now it's on Pages and you want to use the pageless option, and then you want to click OK. And inside here, as you can see here, when you hover the mouse over the title here, Ingredients, you can actually click Collapse Heading, and the content will minimize under this titles. So this is how you expand and minimize content inside Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.